Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we talk about Saturator. Ableton Saturator is great. I really love it and I tend to use it over the other third-party VSTs most of the time. It's really simple, but it's complete. So let's give it a look. We have the drive. It just adjusts the gain of the input signal. So we decide how hard we want the signal to go into the saturator, and this is the main control of the whole effect. So we have this drum loop. Then we have the DC filter, pre-DC filter. It's in per words, the DC offsets are when the waveform is offset. We have this line, okay, and sometimes the sound is not symmetrical in relation to this line. It just flips over or below, and this DC filter allows us to fix it, or it at least tries to fix it. Then we have the color. Color enables all this section, and in this section we have 4 controls. We have the bass, which simply determines how much the saturator effect will be reduced or increased for very low frequencies. As we have the kick, which is really bassy, if we turn on the bass knob, it will make the saturator more sensitive to low frequencies. So if we turn it up, we just see the kick that is completely destroyed. Then we have a center frequency, which can be modulated. Then we have another key part of the saturator, and is the shaper curve. We have analog clip by default, then we have soft sine, and each curve is harder than the previous one. So we have this sinefold one, which is a really interesting one. It doesn't make the sound louder by itself, but if we drive in the input signal, we create this type of distortion, which sounds really diverse. And then we have the wave shaper that enables all this module. So let's see. We can shape Then we have this soft clip. It's a simple soft clip. It stops the signal from clipping, of course. Then we have the output knob and the dry wet one. So we have to keep in mind, if we use the dry wet, we have to balance the output accordingly. Let's say we turn up the sound by 2 decibels and set the dry wet 50%. We don't have to balance at -2 to compensate, but at -1. So that's it for the saturator. See you in the next video.